Okay, I'm gonna make a 30-second video here. We have this Hunter fan right here. This is an aftermarket Hunter remote control. Okay, it's been working perfectly. I couldn't find this anyplace, but this is my daughter's room. This blue light was flashing really quickly and the light wouldn't work. All right, I looked every place on the internet and it talked about pairing, it talked about everything, but it was flashing, and the light didn't work. I tried turning off the main switch, I tried turning it on, turning it off. Bottom line is, if this blue light is flashing and the light doesn't work, it's the battery. It's a little 2032 cell, you know, one of those little flat watch batteries. I happen to have another one in the house. I put it in and it worked perfectly. So again, I couldn't find that online anyplace, but quickly flashing blue light and light not working up there. All right, it's a ceiling fan light not working, or the fan didn't work. Everything didn't work. It's the battery. Take care.